Welcome to the Total CAF AFCON 2025, the Total Energies CAF AFCON 2025 preview. We're previewing and forecasting the groups. So now we are doing Group D of the AFCON the 2025. The AFCON which will be taking place from the 21st of December to the 18th of January 2026 out in Morocco. So let's get to Group D. Group D features the reigning champions and title favorites Senegal against a two-time former champion, the DRC, which is the Democratic Republic of Congo, with high ambitions. The battle between the established powers will be complicated by two very capable underdog sides. Okay, let's get to the teams. Team number one is Senegal, the Lions of Teranga. On the CAF ranking,